This is a 24-piece disposable champagne flute glasses, and they look really pretty too. They have a whole bunch of glitter on it and perfect for any occasion, from New Year's Eve parties, weddings, or just fancy get-togethers too. They're disposable but also reusable too if you want to clean it. And you get 24-piece set. These are also very easy to put together. All you have to do is get the bottom base and attach it to the plastic cup. Just like this. And look how pretty this is. Let me show you a close-up. As you can see, there's a lot of glitter on it and looks so pretty when it catches the light. These are also BPA-free and shatter-resistant too. If you want it more durable, just add a dab of glue between the base and the cup for your next event. I was sent this from Prestige to evaluate and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.